Here we go on Steel Hill.
Whee!
I love how the train doesn't fully fit in the station.
I know.
It's so funny. This lift feels super fast. It's kind of crazy. I have these sunglasses.
You can see all of Barracuda.
Yeah. Oh yeah, title search is open.
Oh wow,
You heard that today? We are in the second to back car, so the airtime shouldn't be as painful as it's been in the past. Here we go.
Hold on tight.
Oh, I'm kind of scared. I hope this is painful. That was not as bad as I was expecting it to be. I would ride that again later. And it's lined up better than it was when we got on. Good ride.